Hey folks, it's early April. Turkey season is open almost all across the country. We want to celebrate by introducing a brand new product. We're bringing back the TRITON, the ever popular 3-color dot sight, now back in a turkey special edition. The Turkey Master TRITON T2 Xtreme takes the guesswork out of sight alignment. Simply choose your color, your distance, and your bird orientation. Line up the outline with your target bird's head and you'll land the perfect pattern every time. So before you go out into the turkey woods, check out the Turkey Master TRITON T2 Xtreme, only from TRUGLO.